This one.
Wala.
Thank you.
Can you show me the sashimi? Can I finish that? That's it, right? Dito na tayo sa bump. Nagbabayad tayo ng ngayong parking.
How much is that?
Dito matanggap ng credit card, puro coins lang. Yan. Saan tayo pupunta?
I don't remember what it's called.
Saan tayo
Wait, I actually
kakain?
don't see it. I lied. Okay.
Here's... Ayun, may hinanap kami restaurant.
Or maybe there. No, this
Over there. Over there. Ayan, may hinahanap silang Japanese restaurant. Saan ba? Anong pangalan? Ito, Sushi House?
This door is Stroke Izakaya. That door is...
It's the same banana. Hello? Four? Oh. Good. Kain tayo. Ayan. Medyo mahal ah. Ganun talaga yata presyo. No?
Ba?
Shop transfer. Share daw sila. It look good though. But it's not big.
This one.
Wala.
Thank you.
Can you show me the sashimi? Can I finish that? That's it, right? This is takoyaki.
Yeah. This is the best taste of the ramen connoisseur.
What's konoshu?
The broth is good. Very flavorful. Oh, it's good. It's really good. Let me try the noodles. Homemade, not used.
Talaga lang.
Yeah, the broth is
Maraming
good.
langaw.
The broth is really good, flavorful. 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. How's the soup, Anna?
Really good.
You like it?
Yeah.
How about you, AJ?
It's a good ramen. It's a shoyu ramen. Good, let's try the pork. Very good, delicious. The pork. This is pachu pork. It's really good. Tender, flavorful.
Shoku rolls.
Yan yung special rolls nila dito.
Loaded siya eh. Madaming laman.
Yeah.
Parang may tuna, may avocado, tsaka ayaw ko ano yung isa.
Yung shoku roll, salmon, shrimp, negitoro,
Oh,
wasago,
masarap.
avocado, cooked,
Ano?
pickled ginger, pear, Japanese mayo.
Marami, malaking serving.
Yeah, ito yung specialty roll nila dito. The pork is good? How's the roll, Dada?
I like it.
It's good?
Better than Kinjo.
So that means it's good.
Kasi, ang dami niyo.
Sulit na siya.
Pero medyo mahal.
Yeah.
Pero,
And how's the sashimi? Good? Okay, good.
Let's try the shoku roll. Specialty roll nila.
you know it's good. You know why? Look at the rice. The other restaurant, the rice is so thick, a lot. But this one,
Look at the tuna.
Yeah.
I mean the salmon.
It's
Very
good.
good.
Very good.
Let's try the shoyu ramen.
When I'm done.
How was it, Dada?
The flavor. Strong.
Yeah. Very good, right?
Pero yung flavor niya parang instant.
No, I can taste it for for me, parang napakulo siya ng matagal.
Bago siya. Okay lang.
I like it.
I prefer potan.
Also, what's your rating?
Sarap yung pot.
What's the rating?
6,
Mm.
7. Ikaning bill?
111.
111? Yan, babalik ka pa doon.
Kung wala na ibang choice. Balik na lang ako sa
Medyo maalat kasi yun, yung shoyu nila. So, lakad-lakad muna kami sa bump. Yan, tapos uwi na. Peace and love.